Thanks for logging on to MyFoxHurricane.com. We continue to watch that same area in the northern Gulf of Mexico. Still a very disorganized cluster of showers and thunderstorms. It's all part of this old frontal boundary that worked its way across the southeast and it's just been hanging out for a number of days. Have a little area of low pressure along that boundary. And what we've been seeing is just these bursts of convection. And you can see that into the Gulf of Mexico. And we're just going to continue to watch this over the next several days because if it continues to hang out, conditions continue to remain favorable, might start to see some development with this. But I got to tell you, overall, computer models aren't all that bullish on something happening with this, or at least not all that much. And a big part of it is just it's sitting right along the coastline, not a lot of deep water right in that area, and just some of the land interactions. You look at the true color satellite imagery, just looks amazing, but what you're noticing with this is it's still just kind of an elongated area of storms and just no real organization with it at this point. So we're just going to continue to watch it as we go through the rest of the week. What you're watching is just these bursts of convection, but notice you're not seeing that consolidated area of convection. You're not really seeing a big sign of an area of low pressure. In fact, as we get into Wednesday, there's another burst of that convection. We actually get some other energy that comes down from the north that adds more to this. But again, you're not seeing a whole lot. Maybe by the time we get into Friday, a little bit better sign of maybe an area of low pressure, but still I think it's a broader area of low pressure and still overall not really enough to really classify this as a tropical system at that point. But we'll continue to watch it as we go through the week. If it can find maybe a little bit more warm water, maybe move away from the coastline a little bit more, I think it has a little bit better chance. But at this point, really, the odds are kind of stacked against this system really developing. But as you look at the season as a whole, we're still way in the early parts of the season. As we head through August into September, that's where you see that big increase in the activity. So there's still plenty more this season to come, and we're going to keep you updated right here on MyFoxHurricane.com.